everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my June Stitch Fix. I am so pleased that you have joined me to see what is inside this fix. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe. If you like Stitch Fix, so do I. And I try to get as many fixes as I possibly can. So subscribe and join me again if you enjoy unboxings and especially Stitch Fix. Guys, it is already late in June and this is my first fix of the month. I was scheduled to receive a fix about 2 weeks ago, and I got an email on the day it was supposed to arrive saying that they had some type of trouble and it was scanned incorrectly and they were sending out another fix. So that is why you haven't seen a Stitch Fix from me all month. I am just dying to get into this box. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, this is a online styling service. It is dynamite. I love it. I have a stylist that curates a box for me based on my style profile. They send me 5 pieces to try at home. I have 3 days to try them on. There is a $20 styling fee. I don't pay that fee because I purchased a style pass. You can purchase an annual pass, but your styling fee is deducted from anything you keep in the box. If you keep all 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount. If you need more information than that, I have left everything you need to know as well as my referral link in the description box below. If you use my referral link, you will get $25 credit on your first fix. Right on. They also extend some credit to me when you use my link, and I want to thank everyone that has used my link. I do have some credit to use on this box, so fingers crossed I'm going to find something in this fix to keep. Let's open it up. All right, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It looks like I have a handbag in a really cool like seafoam green color. This looks really nice. It's actually like a Stitch Fix green. Okay, here is my bundle. Here, is that yellow? Ooh, I don't know, that looks like it's some kind of bottom. This is the other side. Looking good. With every Stitch Fix, you do get a return mailer. So anything that doesn't work, or if I need to make exchanges, I will just put in this bag and drop off at the post office. It's really, really easy. Then, oh, everything came out. We do get an envelope and everything fell out of my envelope. I have a note from my stylist and an invoice that I will look at last. Okay, let's check out the handbag first. This is what it looks like. There's the side of it. Right off the bat, I really like this. What is it called? Okay, this is the Urban Expressions Oriana Double Zip Work Satchel. So, let's see. Okay, we have a little just embellishment there, and this is what the inside looks like. This is the bottom of it. No feet on the bottom. Oh, okay, look at the inside. It's like a denim. It's not real denim, though. It's soft. The lining. There is a shoulder strap, which I seldom use. We do have really big pockets on the side and a zip pocket on this side. Now let's see, we have 2 big pockets on either side. That very, very nice. Let's see if my laptop will actually fit in this. Would you look at that? Perfect fit for my MacBook. Wow, this is really nice. I hope it's affordable. On to the bundle. On the very top, I see something by Chaser. It is a super soft tee with beach wave. Okay, next up is something I cannot figure out. Oh, okay, this is a maxi dress. All right, this is a navy blue maxi dress by 9 Britain, the Catalina knit maxi dress in navy. So it has a little crisscross detail. Oh, that's on the back. This is the front of the dress, a V-neck in the front and the back with a crisscross detail, and it is a maxi length. Then we have some, oh my goodness. Oh, these are interesting. I like these. These are Mason & Bell Aliana Smocked Ladder Lace Detail Short in blue. And this is what they look like. So they have an elastic smocked waistband. And they are a really soft fabric. Let me see, are the legs big enough for my legs? I don't know. We'll see in the try on. And the last clothing piece is a pair of shorts. These are by Market and Spruce. They are the Laney shorts in coral. This is what they look like. They look like a trouser short. They do have a nice long inseam, and they have the slash pockets on the side, which I'm not crazy about. Sometimes they work. Let's try it all on and see if it works. So I do get a note from my stylist with different suggestions on how to wear each item. My stylist is Jason, and he says, "Hi, Kelly. I'm sorry that the last one got lost in the mail. I know you like a roomier pair of shorts, so I sent 2 pairs to try and find you the right fit. The Mason and Bell are a linen blend, so they breathe well and look super cute with the bra-friendly chaser tank. The coral pair from Market and Spruce will also play nicely with the tank top. For a cute, casual summer look, try the 9 Britain Maxi with the mint Urban Expression satchel. I know it's your bag of preference. Cheers, Jason." So I am so happy that he actually acknowledged that something weird happened with my package. It got lost in the mail, and he is so right about the satchel. Let's start with the handbag. This is the Urban Expressions Oriana double zip work satchel. Okay, they call this mint green. This is a faux leather bag, but I really, really like this bag. So what do you guys think about this color? I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but it is truly a mint green, like almost a Stitch Fix mint green color. I really need a bag like this. When I travel, I normally take my laptop and my iPad and all of that in a tote bag, which is fine, but this is really a very secure way to carry my electronics. It's only $58. I think the price is right. I actually really like this color, but this does feel like a spring summer color, and I don't have a bag like this. So if I traveled in November, I would want to use this bag. It's only $58. I do have some credits, so this bag could be completely free to me. I think I should keep this bag. What do you guys think about this bag? I love it. The only top in this entire fix is this sleeveless tee by Chaser. This is called the Lacey Beach Cotton Blend Tee, and it's incredibly soft. And my stylist is correct. It is bra friendly. It has really wide, I mean, it's a sleeveless tee, but this one is pretty thin, and my bra did show out the armholes. I do not think I can size down in this because this is so thin. You can see my love handles right through it. I love a chaser tee because they are very, very soft. I wish I was going to see some beach waves this summer. I will probably only see a river, the Rio Grande. But yeah, I think I'm going to send this back. I'm not completely sold on the fit of this, but it feels amazing. This one is only $38, but this one I think needs to go back. The next piece that I really, really like are the Market and Spruce coral shorts. I like the length of these. And not only that, they are a nice substantial fabric, so I feel very secure in them. They are not a high rise, they're kind of a mid rise, which is very comfortable, but yeah, it's something I'm not used to. These slash pockets did not bother me at all. These are $54. I guess I have to pay the price for shorts that I feel very comfortable in. I have not been purchasing colored bottoms because I don't like the way they look on me. And I bought so many of them and I never wear them, but these could be the exception. I feel very comfortable in them. They feel like such a nice, fun summer color. This is the Pantone color of the year. What do you think about these shorts? I think I would wear these shorts, and I like the color. I want to wear colors. I'm just not comfortable in them. So yeah, your honest feelings about the coral shorts, because I am leaning towards keeping these. The next shorts are the Mason & Bell, the linen shorts with the smocked waist. I thought I was gonna love these. He did size up. He sent me size 10 in the shorts, which I really appreciate. I want my shorts to be a little bit looser, but guys, the size 10s are fitting perfect because I have had way too many enchiladas since I moved to New Mexico, and I don't like the fit on these. I love the style of them though. I think they're a little bit short for my comfort level, and this elastic waist kind of help to show off a muffin top. So these are only $44. They are so super cute. If they were bigger, I probably would consider keeping them. If they had a little bit more length, I think I would be all about these linen shorts by Mason & Bell. Last but not least is the dress. This is by Nine Britain. This is the Catalina maxi dress. It does have the crisscross in the back, and I did notice you could see my bra in the back. I could probably fix that by changing the bra. This is very, very soft. It is a navy maxi dress, which I have several navy maxi dresses. This one is cinched at the waist with some elastic. One of the things I did like about it is it has very, very high slits on both sides. This is very easy to walk in. I'm just not real crazy about this dress. It is bra friendly, so I appreciate that. It just doesn't wow me, and I don't know that I need another navy maxi dress because I have like 4 or 5 of them, and I haven't worn any of them thus far this summer. So this one is $58, and I just don't think it is special enough to add to my collection. Let me know what you think about this maxi dress. Do I need to take a second look at it, or do you think it's kind of meh? Okay, it's invoice time. The total of all 5 pieces in this fix is $252. The buy all discount is $63. That's 25% off, $63. And the most expensive thing in this fix is $58. So that's where Stitch Fix math always gets me. Now, I only am considering keeping 2 pieces in this fix, but if I was to keep everything, the total would be $189, and I do have some credit, so I could keep all 5 pieces for about $100, $20 for each item. That would be the average price. But I honestly do not need all 5 pieces. I wasn't real happy with the fit on the t-shirt or the linen shorts. The dress, I mean, a $20 maxi dress, I would be pretty happy to have that, but I don't know that it will get a lot of wear, that it is special enough that I would pick it over the other navy maxi dresses that I have. I am considering keeping the purse and keeping the coral shorts. Let me know what your favorites are. Is there anything in here you think I need to take a second look at? I can't wait to hear what you think about this fix. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I am so glad that you stuck around to the end of the video, and I have more videos coming for you. I have lots of boxes. I am so busy with Vacation Bible School, guys. I am doing my best to get my boxes out and share them with you. So stay tuned, thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings to you.